Yo, run it up. Reselling back with another video. Boy, today we done got a package, y'all boys. So, you know what I'm saying, I just decided to turn on the camera and, you know, make a little video on what I got. My little reselling community. This is like the average week or two for me. But I'm gonna show y'all what we got today. Let's see what we got. Now, if you a real reseller, you gonna know what this is on rip. You know what this is, my boy. We got one, but we got a box full of them things, boy. Hey, take them out for y'all, boys. I done bought about 10 of them. Feel me? I done bought about 10 of them. I had a lot of them last video, but I sold all of them. And then I just recently bought 7 more, and I sold all of them. Y'all know what these are, man. Real resellers know. If you don't know, you about to find out. So I'm gonna open one up for y'all boys right now. Take a little plastic off. Da 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 da. What could it be? Da 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 da. AirPods, nigga. Got us some AirPods today, y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? We finna go crazy. If y'all wanna learn how to resell, bro, click my YouTube profile, click the link, bro. All my vendors are right there. The only reason I'm charging y'all for vendors is because it took me so long to find them personally. It took me so long to find this vendor, a good vendor. You know how much vendors and gave my money and the product was boo-boo? The product was boo-boo. You know how much times I had chargebacks? You know how much money that costed me, dog? That's the only reason I'm charging for these vendors, bro. And it's not even like I'm charging y'all a crazy amount. I'm telling you, I have a lot of experience, bro. These vendors aren't just any vendors that I found off of DHgate. I'm telling you, it took me a long time to find the vendors that I have right now. How you think I'm just able to get all these AirPods, bro? Because I'm selling them. They're selling, and you know why they're selling? It's because I got a valid vendor. And you know why I still have a lot of money? It's because I'm not getting chargebacks. You get chargebacks, bro, you lose. You lose money. And shoot, you might even lose a customer. If your product was good, bro, dude probably would have came back and bought 2 more from you. But if you have a trash vendor, it's really, and I mean really, gonna mess up your reselling business. So a vendor is very important. You know what I'm saying? We all gotta make money, bro. You help me out by buying the vendor that it took me a long time to find. And I help you out by giving you the link to a high quality vendor. You copying from him and selling to people. Copying them for low, selling them for high. That's all reselling is at the end of the day. All reselling is buying something for low and selling it for higher than what you got it for. That's all reselling is, y'all boys. But yeah, man, that's just a little quick video I wanted to make, you know. I just got my package, so I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done unboxing all of these. We got 5 more. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm still unboxing these. That's the one thing about buying AirPods, boy. You gotta take them out of this. Take a long time, especially if you got a lot of them. Imagine having 30. Imagine having 30 of them. But that's gonna take you a good 30 minutes, for real. All right, y'all boys, as you can see, we're finally done. These are all the AirPods I caught, man. I caught about 10 of them. All you gotta do, these are from the vendor that I'm selling y'all, bro. All you gotta do, cop 2 of them. Sell each one for $50 to $100, 50, 60, 70. Keep it in the $100 range. You do that, easy profit. All reselling is buying something for low, selling it for high. That's all reselling is, dog. It's simple, it's easy. Y'all boys, click my YouTube profile. Click the link, it's gonna take you to the beacons. All my suppliers are there, y'all boys. This was a quick little video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if y'all want advice videos on how to resell. Tell me whatever you want, bro. I'll tell you. I'll put y'all boys on game. Y'all see the last video, we had a lot of stock. Bro, we're down to 1 pair of AirPods, 3 Pradas, and 2 colognes. I'm selling these already on the 6th. Somebody's buying those. So I really got 3 Pradas and 1 Max left. Go look at my last video. Look at how much I had. I had a lot. It's all gone. I'm not capping to y'all boys about this, bro. These vendors are gonna get y'all money on. See y'all boys in the next video.